Hello everyone, my name is Toma. I'm the co-founder of Loopple AI. And today I want to show you how you can build your website in under 60 seconds using AI. So the first step is to go to loopple.com/AI website builder, and from here choose generate website. Then you'll have two options: business details to website or text to website. So business details to website means that you can add more details about your business, like the business location, business type, or the website language. And text to website means that you can simply add a prompt and the AI will try to make the best version of the website. So for today, we'll go with business details to website. And for today, we are going to build a photography business. So we'll go with Toma Photography. And then in the step, we'll have to choose the business type and the business location. The business location will be inputted automatically. So we'll go with the business type, so photography. And then at this step, we'll have to choose the website language. We'll go with English. And then you can choose between 6 different styles. That looks like this. So I'll go with minimalist. I really like this one. So now the fourth step, we'll have the AI that is going to generate our website. So it takes about 10 seconds for the AI to do his job. So let's wait for it. All right, so now our website is ready. This looks really cool. So now we can click on customize website. That means that we'll be redirected to the builder. And from here, we can do a lot of things. So I'm gonna show you the majority of them. So the first one is the option to edit the section layout. So we'll have, for the header, we'll have 5 options. So we're going to check all of them. I'll go with this one because I really like it. And also, let's say for this one, we can go with one with no image. We can switch back to one with an image. I'm gonna go with this one. And also from here, we can choose an image from a third-party library. So let's go with this one, for example. And then you can also add new sections. So considering that this is a photography business, we'll want a portfolio. So I'm gonna add a gallery with multiple images. So the cool thing is the fact that when it adds a new section, it adds it with text that fits your business type. So in this case, we'll have a photography business, so we would expect to have text that fits that. So everything will be automatically added. And from here, you can upload your images from your local storage, and also you can add custom ones from a third party like this. Oh, this looks really cool. We'll also have this form. So basically, you'll have the option to have people that submits this form, and it will be redirected to your email. This is really cool. And the best thing is the fact that we have this assistant that allows you to modify the section as you want. So for example, let's say that we want a new text in here, or let's say we want this text to fit a particular use case. So let's imagine that I want the text to refer to local business in Bucharest. And the AI will do his job to generate the best option. So let's wait for this and see what our assistant does. All right, so it changes the text, but you can also add more things like I want a new text after the main one, same dimension. So now I would expect to have the same text size at Bucharest local business, but under it. So let's see what it does. All right, that looks really cool. I really like it. So it's really cool that it allows you to modify the section as you want. Of course, you can give more complicated prompts, but this is like an example. So in here, I can modify the text like business is here, help you. All right, so after you make the changes, you can click preview. You can see it on the tablet or mobile like this, and you can then save the changes and you can publish it. So you have the option to publish it for free on a loopple.com subdomain. So let's go with my business. So it takes like this will be instantly be added to your subdomain. So I'll have mybusiness.loopple.com. So here we'll have our website. So it's really cool because in a in a bit of time you can show it to your client or friends and so on. So it's really cool. And also you'll have the option to publish it on a custom subdomain or simply save it as a draft, so you can return to it at any time. Yep, so that's it. In a nutshell, it looks really cool. I hope you like it. Thank you.